To utilize GPT-4 with images, you can provide a visual input and ask for a description of the image. Currently, a GPT-3 version is being used, but the same process can be applied to GPT-4, which offers more options. For example, when asked to describe an image of a rainy New York scene, the response was a photograph of a majestic mountain range, which was incorrect. Trying with another image, the response was also inaccurate, describing a young woman standing on a rocky shore, which did not match the actual image. However, when using GPT-4, the process is similar. You can copy an image link and ask for a description, and GPT-4 will provide a description of the image. This can be tested with various images, such as a red Ferrari, and GPT-4 will provide a corresponding description. GPT-4 is a more advanced AI compared to GPT-3, resulting in more accurate descriptions. The process involves providing individual input to GPT-4, allowing it to generate descriptions based on the given image. Overall, this is how GPT-4 can be used with images, and it is worth trying out to see the results.